Hello guys, it's Paulina Minimalist, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create the look from this face chart that I did using as eyeshadows from We.makeup. So this is a 9 colors eyeshadow palette that I composed myself, and this is what we're going to use to create this makeup. I'm going to start with warm peach number 116, and with a big blending brush I'm going to warm up my crease and also start to create the shape of my makeup. And I am bringing this color a little bit into my inner corner and under my brow here. I'm also adding some warmth and smoke on my lower lash line. Guys, so now using a smaller blending brush and color red violet number 131, I'm going to darken my outer corner, and I'm blending this color into warm peach. Now you can come back with a brush after warm peach and blend everything even better together. Guys, so now using even smaller blending brush, I'm going to apply Biscuit brown number 110, and I'm blending it in my inner corner. Now, using my finger, I'm going to apply Orangeish pearl, which is number 401, and I'm applying it in the center of my eyelid. I am coming back to Biscuit brown, and I am applying it on all the length of my lower lash line, and I am smoking it quite far. Guys, so now I'm going to add some more contrast to this makeup and also a lift to the outer corner of my eye using Neutral Black eyeshadow, which is a classic Neutral Black matte eyeshadow number 125, and I am applying it in the outer corner close to the lash line, and I am blending it into that red violet eyeshadow that we applied here before. I'm also adding this black a little bit in the outer corner on my lower lash line, and I'm connecting it to this what we did on the upper lash line. Now it's time for some final touches using Only, and first I'm going to use Only in Obsidian Black to fill all the holes between my eyelashes. And I'm actually doing like kind of tight lining. It means that I'm applying this pencil on my upper waterline underneath my eyelashes. Now, using Only in color Moonstone Butter, I'm going to brighten a little bit my lower waterline. Guys, and to complete this makeup, I'm going to use more mascara on my eyelashes. So now I'm going to do also the other eye, and we will see in a second to finish all this makeup. Okay, the second eye is done. Now I'm going to add some hair strokes to my eyebrows using their brow gel, and I am using color number 2. Guys, it's time for the last step of this makeup, lips, and today I'm going to use one of my favorite colors from all the shade range of We.makeup, which is Newberry Carmine. Today I'm going to use If, And I don't want a full bold colored lips, so I'm only like stamping a little bit. Then with my finger I'm blending this color. And now with even lip pencil I'm going to correct the shape of my lips and add some contrasts. Guys, so this is the final look. Let's do some close-up. I hope that you like it and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, write us a message, and yeah, see you next time.